One fun set of tools in EnRoute are the shape wizards. This is a set of tools that have been added that provide the ability to create different types of geometry that usually is sort of a specialty type of geometry. One example of this is the cone wizard. Cone wizard is something that's been in EnRoute for quite a while. We've just recently added the ability to tilt the cone, so to create a non-symmetrical cone. So this is something that's a little bit more complex, and it was created specifically for a user, but is one that might be a fun one for others to use. So basically it's just a matter of creating an internal radius and an external radius and then the height, and then based on this information, EnRoute will create the appropriate geometry for creating a cone. So if it's cut out of flat material, this edge can be matched up with this edge, and that will create the cone with these dimensions. That's something that's relatively straightforward when you think about the cone shape. What makes it more complicated is if you want to tip the cone. So in this case, I want to change the angle of the cone, make it eccentric so that it doesn't have a symmetric shape to it. So this is one where the top of the cone will be tipped off of the center by the number of degrees that I specify here. And this is significantly more complicated from a mathematical standpoint, and something that EnRoute takes care of creating that geometry. And basically once I click apply, then this is ready to be cut, and will create, in this case, a cone that is tipped by 17 degrees off of center. And so the cone wizard has been updated. There's other tools that might be added at any given time, something that can be added and dropped into a folder, and the shape wizards show up. And that's just one of the features of EnRoute.